Hey guys, Mark from Provincial Blvd, and today we're going to show you how to book in your computer from our website. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to your preferred web browser. This also works on your phone if you have a phone. Basically, I'm just going to use Firefox here, and we're going to go to impresscomputers.com. And then you're going to have a check in your PC. This is for repairs. Basically, you go through the basic information. If you've been with us before, we will still need you guys to fill this out. This is record, just keeping record of you guys dropping off the machine, and also lots of notes and how the technician can go over what the problem is with the computer. So basically, you go over and we can start filling it out. So I'm just going to do my name. And this is basically the name of pickup person, who's going to pick it up. So if you're going to pick it up or have somebody else do it, you can probably type in your name or the person that may pick it up on here. And at the bottom of the screen, you're going to have a sign in with your signature just to make sure that that's done. So basically, I'm going to put my name on it. And if you have a company, and you want to type in the name of the company if you're dropping off in regards of something else, you can do that. If you don't have a company, you can just say none. And basically the street address, I'm just going to do Impress here, 21733 Provincial Blvd, and then Katy, Texas 77450. And for the email address, we can do my email address here. And if you found us by referred by your neighbors, anything like that, you can type in their name if they're probably in the system. If you found us online or Google, you can just type in Google or Yelp or whatever the case is. Computer password is just to log in into your Windows operating system or Mac OS if you have an Apple device. So we're just going to do password and the phone number. If you have two phone numbers, preferably, we will like to have both. You can tell the guys up on the front desk if you rather use one or the other phone number. So we're just going to put the fax number here. 34. And description of the problem. This is going to be if whatever the issues that you're having, you can type in here. For example, I don't know, computer running slow. Maybe if you have pop-ups, you can type them in there. Not sure if virus is inside the computer. And the make and model, you can type in, for example, Dell. That's the make, the brand. And model, you can see it somewhere outside or inside when you open the machine. For example, I'm just going to do Inspiron right there. And if it's a desktop or a laptop, we'll do laptop here. Now, if you have a virus, or if you think you have a virus, you can select yes, and you have a couple of options to pick over here. Basically, if you're not sure, you can just do not sure if you have a virus, but keep in mind you're going to have three options. If you do, you can keep the data or not keep the data, or keep all the data in programs as well. This is basically a lot of people pick this up because it keeps everything intact as is. And then you can scroll down. If you have data transfer, you can say yes, and it'll have you fill some questionnaires and some stuff. If you don't know, you can just say none, and we can just do none here. And once you're finished, you just do computer check-in, and it'll take you to the $50 deposit website, and that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, if you guys have any questions, please leave your comments down below. Give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.